Hi, I am Dr. Tapas Mishra. I am a laparoscopic and bariatric surgeon at KR Hospital, Bhubaneswar. I thank KR Hospital and My Health Plus to give me this opportunity to talk about obesity, immunity and these COVID times. Obesity is a disease which many people are suffering of and silently keep suffering because they don't think there is a solution to it. We have to realize that obesity is a disease which takes a severe toll on our health and our future also. We don't consider now obesity as something which should not be looked upon and just be left like that. Obesity is related to multiple disorders, all of us know, and these COVID times take a toll on especially obese patients. Do you know that obese patients are more likely to suffer from severe COVID infection compared to the normal population? You may ask why. Simply, few causes are like they have a decreased respiratory reserve. Their respiratory capacity is already compromised even before the infection. So, when you have a decreased reserve, already if there is a substantiated effort by any other infection, it takes a toll on your lungs, and these patients are most likely to get admitted to a ICU and require ventilator or respiratory support. Obesity as such causes a decrease in the body immunity, and what better than this condition which is already decreasing your body immunity and helping it to go further down. To increase our body immunity, we are doing so many things like taking so healthy food, doing healthy habits, but obesity is one which is putting us on the back foot. Obesity is not just having fat, it has some definitions, having overweight, obese, grade 1, 2, 3 and further on. Obese patients routinely are predisposed to multiple increased risk of malignancy, increased immunosuppression and mood swings and mood disorders, apart from other psychological problems they face. There is also a stigma in the society where people think that getting very fat is a bad thing. We cannot prevent obesity most of the time, but yes, we can take a pledge. We can fight obesity by going for a healthy diet, supplementing with exercise, changing our lifestyle, and probably those patients who are not able to decrease their weight, opting for various other procedures available right now to fight obesity, which are permanent and long lasting. We are still in stigma is there in the society that bariatric surgery is bad for obesity and people have bad side effects. Every surgery has some side effect or the other, but the good effects of bariatric surgery outdo whatever else we are supposed to look at. Leaving that aside, nowadays living a healthy life is most important. It's not just only for COVID infection, for other things also. Even to sustain in a normal environment and work in this normal world also, we need a good body immunity. And nowadays obesity is the number one cause which is preventing us from being healthy. We are concerned, we are suffering from blood pressure, we are suffering from diabetes, hypothyroidism, polycystic ovarian disease, hyperlipidemia, multiple other problems, knee problems, obstructive sleep apnea. But do you know, all of them are related with your increase in obesity. The more obese you are, the more problems you are going to have. And just reducing your weight even by 10% have a better or good outcome in the resolution of many of these disorders. So I repeat again, obesity is a disease. Let's fight it, not only for COVID infection, but for everything else. Thank you.